Raw fleece arrives at the receiving docks, ready to begin its complex transformation into high-quality textile material. Heavy industrial machines unload the raw wool, preparing the material for the initial cleaning and sorting stages. Shredding mechanisms break apart the compressed raw wool, effectively removing large debris before the intensive cleaning begins. Massive scouring tubs submerge the raw fibers in hot, soapy water to strip away natural oils, dirt, and impurities. Mechanical rollers apply extreme pressure to the wet fibers, efficiently extracting excess water from the cleaned wool. Industrial drying chambers circulate high-temperature air to ensure the wool reaches the perfect moisture content for processing. Skilled technicians monitor the drying process to verify that the wool meets strict density requirements before it moves forward. Advanced carding machines use thousands of fine wire teeth to untangle and align the raw fibers into a uniform web. The gossamer-like web is delicately gathered, forming a continuous, soft rope structure known as a sliver. Precision drafting machines stretch and align multiple slivers to ensure the final fiber product remains perfectly consistent. Powerful mechanical rollers twist and stretch the prepared slivers into high-strength yarn suitable for industrial weaving. The spinning floor operates in perfect synchronization as thousands of spindles work to convert wool into finished thread. Precision winding machines collect the spun yarn onto master spools, ensuring even tension for every individual thread. Sophisticated laser sensors perform real-time quality assurance, scanning the yarn for any structural inconsistencies or potential weak points. Automated weaving looms take the finished yarn and interlace it at high speeds to create durable, high-grade fabric. Complex mechanical shuttles fly across the loom, weaving the vertical and horizontal yarns into a continuous roll of cloth. Professional inspectors utilize specialized light tables to scan the finished fabric for any subtle weave errors or surface defects. Robotic systems carefully manage the heavy rolls, transporting the finished textile to the final stage of the manufacturing line. Industrial dyeing tanks apply rich, permanent pigments to the fabric, ensuring color consistency across the entire production batch. Large-scale drying and steaming systems stabilize the fabric, setting the weave and texture for final commercial use. High-speed automated cutters slice the long rolls of wool into standardized, ready-to-ship lengths for global clients. The baling station wraps the finished fabric in protective materials, securing each roll for safe international transportation. Computerized logistics systems generate detailed manifests, ensuring every roll is tracked and accounted for during the shipping process. Heavy-duty forklifts load the finished textile pallets onto awaiting long-haul trucks for transit to global distribution centers. Integrated digital management systems oversee every step of the process, ensuring peak operational efficiency across the entire facility. Expert engineers analyze real-time data from the factory floor to fine-tune machine performance and maximize production output. The facility maintains continuous operations, with automated systems keeping the production line running throughout the night. Microscopic analysis confirms the high level of fiber alignment achieved during the advanced carding process. The rhythmic motion of the spinning floor demonstrates the massive scale of industrial output in a modern textile mill. Rapid motion weaving looms exemplify the incredible engineering speed required for modern, large-scale fabric production. Close-up inspection verifies the uniform density and premium texture of the finished wool textile. An extensive overhead conveyor network efficiently routes finished product rolls toward the warehouse for final processing. Leadership teams review production metrics to ensure the facility meets the high-volume demands of international fashion houses. Autonomous robotic platforms navigate the warehouse floor, organizing the finished pallets for final outbound logistics. Sensor-driven navigation technology allows the automated fleet to operate safely within the busy, high-density shipping environment. Cargo containers reach the shipping terminal, where they are loaded onto vessels destined for major global markets. Finished wool fabrics eventually arrive at consumer retail centers, serving as the foundation for the world's most popular garments. The heavy transport vessel leaves the harbor, completing the final link in the global wool manufacturing supply chain. The wool manufacturing process stands as a testament to the seamless integration of raw natural materials and advanced industrial technology.